Hi guys, welcome back. July 17th today, and you're looking at the dollar versus the Swiss franc. I wanted to give you an update since we just closed out yesterday the bullish position we had here. However, the bullish outlook remains the same, remains intact. We did close out a position from a local type of movement consideration. We think we may have a downside correction on a local scale, so we decided to pull out in a very good spot. Take a look at what's going on here. First, I would like to drive your attention to the local setup, the red setup, right? So we started on the upside, it went pretty well, but then we noticed something quite interesting, as price was unable to break through the 10021, which is the top key level of the red setup right there. And we also noticed that spike and that key reversal that started to form. So I decided to close the position. We took a nice profit, mid-size kind of profit, and right now we're waiting on the sideline to strike again. So we're definitely interested in coming back on the upside here, but for that, two things need to happen, one or the other. The first is price will come off furthermore all the way and touch base with the lower section of the blue setup, right? We have a complex situation here of two setups, one inside of the other. So we have the red system, which is very local, but we have a bigger one, which is the blue system. We have the first leg here, and then the second leg all the way exactly where we pulled out. So there might be a third leg, and I'm talking about the blue system here, right? So in this case, the third leg would complete the blue system here, where price will touch the lower section, but it will also complete the red system, right? Because in the red system we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so we can expect the fifth to touch base on the lower section here. So both movements here could complete two different setups, and from that point on, price will basically reverse and go into some serious upside move that should see higher grounds. So I'm gonna be waiting to strike here back again on the upside, or if price comes back all the way to the level of 98.51, right? That's a pullback type of tactic here. But I have a second tactic, which is more of a breakout tactic. In that case, so we got that, right? We got that scenario, price comes back all the way to 98.51. That's the first one. The second one is with regards to this particular level. Take a look at this level right here, the mid-high level of the blue system, 99.92. So if price comes back by the end of the week and close above that level, leaving just a little bit of a spike there, but remain above that level on the close, that's going to be enough for me to get back in and try to chase price all the way to 10118. Take a look at this level, 10118. Now that's the mid-high level of the big setup, right? The black system, which is a monthly one. Let me show you this from this point of view, right? This is the monthly chart. Take a look. This is the big setup, and price should eventually reach the higher section. This is the level right here, 101.18. But if you take a look at the weekly and the second setup that I applied here, the blue one, you can see how perfectly the top key level of the blue system is combined with the mid-high level of the black system. So that means that this level is a huge magnetic force where price will hit and arrive to that point eventually, and may actually go into a downside correction phase once it hits that level. So we're going to try to go back in and chase price all the way there. Once that level, by the way, once that level is broken, price is more likely to continue straight to the previous major high, which was around 103.40. Alright, so should be interesting. I'll follow up. I'll keep you posted. See you in the next video.